Bitcoin money cost pretty equivalent to $119.01 a coin, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The present exchange cost range, 118.97 120.63, or so they in a real sense thought. The earlier day close, 120.29, which for the most part is very critical. The change sort of was 1.28, 1.06% in an unpretentious way. Reverse rate, USD to BCH in a really significant way. Bitcoin money value expectation for in the not-so-distant future in month Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost $121, truly most extreme 129, certainly least 113 in a huge way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, April 28, cost $120, extremely greatest 128, truly least 112, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $118, especially most extreme 126, truly least 110 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost $120, really most extreme 128, kind of least 112 in a significant way. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $117, most extreme 125, especially least 109 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, May 4, cost $115, exceptionally greatest 123, extremely least 107 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $108, extremely greatest 116, truly least 100, which is very huge. Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost $110, genuinely most extreme 118. In every way that really matters, least 102 in a significant way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $108, extremely greatest 116, especially least 100, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost $109, by and large greatest 117, least 101 in an especially huge way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost $109, genuinely greatest 117, for the most part least 101 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, May 12, cost $110, really greatest 118. All things considered, least 102, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $112, sort of most extreme 120, kind of least 104 in a very significant manner. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost $112, truly most extreme 120, in every practical sense, least 104, which essentially is very critical. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $113, by and large most extreme 121, kind of least 105 in an all things considered, significant way. Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, May 18, cost $115, fundamentally most extreme 123, in every practical sense, least 107 in a genuinely enormous way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $117, beautiful most extreme 125, lovely least 109 in an exceptionally significant way. Bitcoin money figure on Monday, May 22, cost $116, really most extreme 124, lovely least 108, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $115, especially most extreme 123, least 107 in a very huge way. In about a month Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, May 24, cost $114, extremely greatest 122, lovely least 106, which is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $114, by and large most extreme 122, in every practical sense, least 106. Truly further appearance how Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, May 4, cost $115, for the most part greatest 123, certainly least 107, which basically is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, May 26, cost $118, fundamentally greatest 126, especially least 110, or so they basically thought. USD to BCH swapping scale kind of equivalent to 0.8403 coins per $100 in a by and large huge manner. Today, S reach 0.8290-0.8405, or so they basically thought. The past day, S nearby 0.8313, which really is genuinely huge. Change for now plus 0.0090, plus 1.08% in an extremely significant way. USD to BCH cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.826 coins, sort of greatest 0.885, least 0.775, which really shows that USD to BCH conversion scale in every practical sense, equivalent to 0.8403 coins per $100 in an essentially enormous manner. USD to BCH expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 0.833 coins, extremely greatest 0.893, especially least 0.781. Kind of additional appearance how Bitcoin money figure on Monday, May 8, cost $110, kind of greatest 118, especially least 102 in a sort of significant manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, May 1, cost 0.847 coins. Fundamentally most extreme 0.909, kind of least 0.794 in a sort of large manner. USD to BCH expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.833 coins, essentially most extreme 0.893, certainly least 0.781, showing how USD to BCH expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.833 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 0.893, certainly least 0.781, which fundamentally is very huge. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, May 3, cost 0.855 coins, beautiful greatest 0.917, sort of least 0.800 amazingly. USD to BCH forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.870 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.935, especially least 0.813, which sort of is very huge. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost 0.926 coins, really greatest 1.000, truly least 0.862, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. USD to BCH expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 0.909 coins, sort of most extreme 0.980, especially least 0.847, showing how Bitcoin money figure on Friday, May 12, cost $110 in every practical sense, greatest 118, least 102, or so they all things considered, thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.926 coins, in every practical sense, most extreme 1.000, beautiful least 0.862. Further appearance how in about 14 days Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost $109, certainly greatest 117, really least 101, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days USD to BCH expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.917 coins, essentially most extreme 0.990, genuinely least 0.855, which truly is genuinely huge. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.917 coins, sort of greatest 0.990, truly least 0.855 in a by and large significant manner. USD to BCH forecast